Dear students, today I will discuss about a poem. The name of the poem is Village Song, written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is an Indian poet who was born in a middle class family and settled in Hyderabad. So her poetry was intensely emotional and lyrical, reflecting the deep influence of romantic poets. So her life and career took a big change when she met Mahatma Gandhi in 1914, and later on she was so much influenced that she participated in various movements of Indian freedom struggle with other freedom strugglers. So her death in March 1949 was mourned by the millions of Indians. So this is a small idea that I have given about the writer, that means about the poetess of the poem. Now I will discuss about the two stanza. The poem is the first stanza of what we see. Let's check it out. The Village Song is a folk song which was a part of Sarojini Naidu's second volume of poems, The Bird of Time. The setting of the poem is rustic and describes the regular custom of Indian men and women of fetching water from a far distance. The village girl, that means the village girl in the poem, has filled his pitcher with water from the Yamuna river, and she is returning, but the way to her home is lonely, and she is afraid as the darkness is approaching rapidly. She also regrets that by the temptation of waiting, of listening the music, the song which was uttered by or which was sung by a boatsman, this was a mesmerizing song, so she was very much tempted with the song. So this is one of the cause of her delay. Due to the mesmerizing song of the boatsman, she was delayed for some time, and for that she was also very much worried as the darkness already prevailed. The hooting of the crane frightens her and also makes her think that it is the hooting of, or it is the calling of, owl. With no moonlight to guide her home safely, she is also afraid, thinking that there might be some serpent, that means there might be some snake which might bite her or sting her. And there is a superstition, there might be some evil spirits which might hamper her, which might cast some charms on her, and she would die by the indulgence of the evil spirit. So all these are coming to her mind, so that's why she was very much nervous, and she was only praying as how to reach in her home as early as possible. In the last line of the first stanza, Ram Re Ram. So this exclamation Ram Re Ram is a typical Indian words which are uttered by the Indian men and women in the moments of fear or excitement. The serpent and the evil spirit also represents the invisible danger of the inherent modern Indian society. So this is the first stanza, what I have discussed. This is the summary of the first stanza. Personal safety is not her only concern. She is worried about her parents as they are waiting for her, especially her mother and her brother. her mother would be weeping for her delay, and her brothers also very anxious to know the cause of her delay. So all these are coming to her mind. She is very much next to blackbirds gathering in the sky is suggestive of fear and anxiety of the maiden. The maiden is afraid. In the second stanza, what we see, the maiden is afraid that very soon there will be some storm and the lightning may strike her. So all these are coming to her mind. Helpless against all these circumstances, all these inherent dangers, she prays to God to guide her, prays to God to protect and guide her home safely. The maiden's deep and unwavering faith in Lord Rama is reasserted in the last line, as the last line describes, exclaim, Ram Re Ram, I shall die, in the hope that her Savior will rescue her from death. Make a way for her to her home safely, So, in the last line of the second stanza, if you look at the book, if you look at the poem, you can see that Ram Re Ram are some words. Ram Re Ram are some words which are mentioned, which are uttered, or which are described, or which are used in the poem, for 2 times. In the second stanza, this is also mentioned, that Ram Re Ram. So Ram Re Ram is a typical Indian exclamation, already I have told, and by saying this, it can be reasserted that the girl has a firm belief and unwavering belief and faith in God. She believes that only God can save her and only God can lead her home safely. She also believes that only God is the rescuer who can guide her home safely. So this is the summary of the poem Village Song. Village Song is a folk song, you know, and it describes a girl, a maiden who goes to collect water from Yamuna river, and Yamuna river is a very big river, and the dangers associated with Yamuna river is that the family is aware, because she has already got delayed due to the mesmerizing song of the boatman. So she was tempted to listen the song. The song was very much mesmerizing, so she was tempted to listen the song. She had to wait to listen the song, and because of that she got delayed, and for that she saw so many dangers coming to her way. First one is the serpent. There are so many venomous serpent who can bite her. This is one of her concern of wariness. And the second thing is the evil spirit may smite her. That means the evil spirit may indulge in her mind and she also thinks that she would die because of the influence of the evil spirit. So, but after all, she had a firm belief on God. She prays to God to protect her and to lead her and to guide and lead her to home safely. So that's it for today. Keep watching, keep learning, and have a great day. Thank you.